Bank 1 Sensor 2 oxygen sensor on a 2016 to 2023 Toyota Tacoma with a 3.5 liter engine in it. Here on the passenger side, you're going to find the Bank 1 side of the engine on this vehicle. Now your Bank 1 Sensor 2 oxygen sensor is the oxygen sensor downstream from the catalytic converter. This oxygen sensor, located right here on the passenger side next to the transmission, is here to measure the oxygen content in the exhaust stream and give that information to the computer so the computer can tell if your catalytic converter is good or not. Now, if you have a lean or rich code coming from this oxygen sensor, I might say look for an exhaust leak or something in the exhaust stream causing that issue. If you have a circuit code, like a heater circuit code or something like that, I would say first try this oxygen sensor or try replacing it first. If you have a catalyst efficiency below threshold on this bank, you might try replacing this oxygen sensor. But if you have over 110,000 miles on the vehicle and you have a catalyst efficiency code, I would say get ready to replace the catalytic converter and this oxygen sensor. Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies. I'll see you on the next hopefully helpful video. I have a ton of videos on this Tacoma, so check them out.